A couple weeks ago we made a bat hat. Now we're going to go ahead and make a regular bat. As you can tell, there it is right there. I'm Juan Gonzalez, also known as John London with jlomagic balloon videos. Let's get to it. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Hope you had a great weekend. And today we're going to learn how to make this bat. You can see pretty easy to do. And so, wow, what an interesting weekend. I did some face painting. I did some, you know what happened? Actually, I went to an event and, a side note, has nothing to do with the tutorial, but I was all prepping my balloons ready to go to do some face painting and balloons. And when I got there, we started with face paint the whole time and never got to a single balloon. I asked the host, do you want me to switch over to balloons anytime? And she goes, you could do whatever you want. What she says, but by that time we were already over an hour of face painting, and based on the amount of kids that were there in the party, I was like, we're just gonna stick to face painting, and that worked out no problemo. Everybody had a super cool time, and she gave us a 5-star review without making a single balloon. Anyway, let's get back to the balloon here. I don't want to go too far off track here, but you can see it uses the Evil Eye top print. And if you don't have Evil Eye, maybe you know, you can sub in. I know that there's also like a cute just regular round eye one out there as well. But I'll put the link in the description below for this one, the Evil Eyes, that you can get from Lorax, okay? So let's go over, since we're almost to October, you wanna make sure you got those balloons ready to go, especially with the bat. All right, so let's go over the balloon we're gonna use for it, and then we'll get to it. So here it is. You can see I'm using my black balloon here, and I'm gonna leave just a little bit on the end right here. I don't need to grab it or pinch it or anything like that. I just wanna make sure when I get ready to use it, I have, actually it won't even matter, but I do leave a little bit of air because I am going to take this side right here and twist it around the print, okay? Just to secure the wings to the print. Pretty easy to do. If you were a part of my Facebook group, you probably already saw this. So for some of you guys, this will be redundant. For some of you guys, you're gonna learn a little something new. Pretty easy to do though. So let's go ahead and bring that sound down. Let's get to it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is split this balloon in half. Actually what I'm gonna do is bring the ends up to one another. And I'm gonna have one be slightly shorter and the one, the non-nozzle one. Does that make sense? So the one that had the little tip of the balloon left over on the end, I had that one be like just slightly shorter, but not much though, okay? But it's not that big a deal. So you see I just matched them up, twisted them, and then I found the middle of the balloon, and this will create our wings right away. See, I just brought it right back up to where I twisted. Okay, and I'm gonna push one of those through there just to lock it in place. And that part is already done. So we already have our bat ears and our loops. Get ready for the print. So for the print, I'm just going to underinflate it a little bit, but I'll show you here the size here in just a moment. So you can take a look. I liked what I had right away. So that's what it is. It's about, you know, probably like a large orange. And I'm just gonna roll that knot. There we go. So that way when we squish it, we get the air go into the tail there. And then you just twist, make sure you squish on that balloon so that way the face pops out, the print or the ink comes out really well. And you see I did one twist, I'm gonna twist another. And this bubble's about 2 fingers, I would say. And then we're gonna pinch twist that. Okay, so just pull on it. I think I heard a little hissing there. So that means, you know, you gotta work fast. That way you can close off anything. There we go. Looks like we're all set. All right, and so now what I can do, see with the pinch twist on the bottom there, I'm gonna go ahead and take the balloon that had the little bit of the tip on it, the end of the balloon, I would say, and I'm gonna pull it around the bottom there to secure the round balloon or the printed balloon to the wings. Okay, I'm just gonna pass it underneath there and right back up to where it came from. And now after that, you just have to adjust your wings, make sure they end up on the side. There we go. So you see that's all I'm doing at this point. Just making sure that way the bat is nice and flat, you know, like it's flying. There we go. And so, you know, the more you work with these balloons, the less nervous you get about them. And in this case, you know, I guess one concern would be overinflating it. So make sure you give the balloon a good burp when you're inflating it. There we go. So now we're good. Last but not least is we're going to go ahead and give the wings some shape. And so I'm just holding the inside of the wing there and I'm pulling it down and I'm squishing my hands like back and forth. So I'm just alternating. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. There we go, alternating, and then you see I'm gonna reach up here towards the top and give that a little squish too, give it some shape, and I'm gonna go back to this side, do the same thing. So there it is, we're all set. Thanks for hanging out. So there it is, you can see pretty darn easy to do. And let me go ahead and bring up that other little pet so we can join them. There we go, we got double the bats, double the fun. All right, anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed that short video. Super short, I guess, huh? Let's see, what was I going to say? I think that might be it. Oh, just as a, you know, this is, again, irrelevant to this, but on my Instagram page, handle jlomagic1, I am doing some art over there, so if you follow me on there currently, you'll notice that I've been posting like pictures. It's for Inktober, that's what that's all about, and so I'm just sharing some of the designs. I chose my character as Pennywise, and so I'm just doing Pennywise in various different forms, different art styles, I guess, and so that's all it is. In case you're wondering what is all this art showing up and not as many balloons, but don't worry, this bat tutorial, you'll probably see it over there as well soon. And so I just wanted to keep you kind of informed and let you know what's going on there. And then also, last but not least, is I have a coloring book thing that I'm trying to edit right now, so be on the lookout for that. It's just basically coloring pages. Maybe something you can print out and use, especially for this fall, October, you know, type season. Maybe something fun you could check out. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and bring the video to the end, to a conclusion. I again, thank you very, very much. And for my Patreon members, I thank you very much as well. Be on the lookout for another tutorial coming up, exclusive for my Patreon members. And so I'll see you guys next time. Happy twisting, bye.